Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to repair Windows 10 using automatic repair. To do that, all what you will need to do, you will have to go to the start menu. We'll click to open the start menu and we'll go to the settings. After that, we'll go to Windows Update and Security. So after that, we will click on Recovery in the settings section. And then we will click Advanced Startup and we'll click Restart Now. Our computer will restart and then we'll be taken to the next menu. Now that our computer has restarted, we will select Troubleshoot. And here we will select Advanced Options. And here we will select System Repair. And the system repair will start taking action trying to repair your computer. You will have to be patient because this operation may take few minutes to few hours, but it should solve the problem. Your computer might restart your computer might restart multiple times. After that, we'll be prompted to choose an account to continue, so we'll just select our account. I have no password, so we'll just click continue. The diagnose will start. So now that the operation is done and my computer was repaired, I can then just click continue and restart my computer again. As my computer was repaired and now my computer is restarting and everything seems to be fine. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we will help you. If you would like, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.